Welcome back to MVP Auto. Today, we're taking a cinematic look at one of the most iconic nameplates in the automotive world, completely reimagined. This is the 2025 Toyota Corolla. And trust me, you've never seen a Corolla like this before. Right from the first glance, this design makes a statement. The front end is sharp, futuristic, and aggressive, with those sleek LED headlights that stretch across the grille like a blade. Toyota has gone bold here, giving the Corolla a premium feel that turns heads, even in a sea of modern sedans. The grille is cleaner and more integrated into the bumper, and those vertical LED DRLs on either side? They add an edge of sportiness we don't usually associate with a Corolla. This is not your average daily driver, this is a compact car with presence. From the side, you'll notice fluid lines that flow from the front fender to the rear, giving it a sculpted, aerodynamic profile. The wheels are tastefully designed, striking a balance between elegance and sporty appeal. And that paint pearl white with a soft metallic sheen looks absolutely stunning under natural light. Moving around to the back, the taillights mirror the sharp design language from the front. The rear bumper has a wide stance, giving the car a planted look. Subtle chrome details and sleek curves make it feel more refined than ever. Now, while this video focuses on the exterior, the design alone tells us a lot. Toyota clearly isn't just chasing reliability anymore. They're crafting cars that also speak to your style and personality. The 2025 Corolla brings a premium presence to the compact segment, and it does so without screaming for attention. For those wondering about performance and interior upgrades, we'll dive into that in a future video. But today's focus was all about appreciating the bold direction Toyota has taken here. The 2025 Corolla proves that evolution doesn't have to be loud, it just has to be smart. And this one? It's both. If you enjoyed this cinematic showcase, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you consider the new Corolla for your next daily? Or are you waiting to see what's under the hood? Thanks for watching MVP Auto. I'll catch you in the next one.